By watching the first part of our How to Start Trading Forex video guide, you have learned how to open trades. This part will teach you how to close positions. Here is a breakdown of the guide. 1. Closing a trade in Forex. 2. Using pending orders to eliminate your trading position. 3. Strategies to close trades in time. 1. How to close a trade manually. Traders can close trades manually to lock in profits or cut losses. To do that, you need to move the cursor to the bottom of the platform and click the cross icon to the right of the trade you want to close. 2. Using pending orders to eliminate your trading position. Traders are not obliged to close their positions manually. They can set stop loss and take profit orders that will trigger if the price reaches one of them. You can do it when you place a trade, or you can modify your order later. To do it when placing a trade, you need to set stop loss and take profit by pressing the plus icon or entering the level manually. To modify the order, you need to right-click on the order you want to modify and then set stop loss and take profit. Once you set both pending order, you need to click Modify. You will see that both pending orders will appear in the Order tab below the platform. 3. Strategies to close a position. Traders can use different strategies to find exit points. Let's look closer at them. 1. The first strategy involves using indicators like parabolic SAR. In this strategy, you need to wait until the dots start to build on the opposite side of the price. For instance, if you buy and the dots are below the price, then when the dots appear above the price, you can close your order. 2. The next exit strategy is based on the trend line. We have already demonstrated a swing strategy in our previous video. If you use it, then you can close a trade when the price moves in the opposite direction and breaks through the trend line. In this example, if you buy along the trend line, you can wait until the price breaks below the ascending trend line and then close a trade. 3. Finally, traders can use a special risk-to-reward approach to close a trade. The most popular strategy is 1 to 3, which means that you put at risk 10 pips and can gain 30 pips. Let's make some basic calculations. If you buy euro to US dollar at 1.1400, then you can put a stop loss at 1.1390 and take a profit at 1.1430. This video concludes our two-part series on how to place and trade and close your orders on the Binolla platform. You can proceed with placing a first trade on the Binolla platform.